Sound of gentle rain, faint clock ticking, whispered line. We used to talk until the morning. Now we don't say a thing. We danced beneath the silver sky. Dreams were fire, hearts could fly. Now the echoes fill an empty room. Our laughter fades too soon. Every word feels miles apart. We're strangers holding broken hearts. The silence grows where love should stay, and I don't know what to say. We build a world on fragile ground. Now but maybe silence is our song. We're right and wrong, just drift along. We've fallen into silence deep, our promises we couldn't keep. No goodbye, no last embrace, just fading dreams we can't replace. We've fallen into silence now, and I can't reach you anyhow. Still I whisper through the pain, but silence calls your name. We used to talk until the morning. Now we don't say a thing. We used to talk until the morning. your letters one by one. Watch the smoke reach for the stars. But even flames can't kill the sun. It still remembers who we are. I thought that time would heal the scars, erase your name from every song. But every night I see you there, like a ghost where I belong. Every ember tells a story of what we lost, a faded glory. We're ashes of yesterday, drifting where the wind will play. The fire's gone but hearts still ache in the smoke of our mistakes. We're ashes of yesterday, can't let go, can't fade away. Even broken souls still pray in the ashes of yesterday. I walk through streets that knew our names, every corner sings your tune. The rain can't wash away the flame, it only spreads the ache too soon. I wear the silence like a crown, heavy with the words unsaid. I'd give the world to turn around, to feel your heartbeat once again. Every spark that dies in me still whispers softly through the pain. We're ashes of yesterday, drifting where the wind will play. The fire's gone but hearts still ache in the smoke of our mistakes. We're ashes of yesterday, can't let go, can't fade away. Even broken souls still pray in the ashes of yesterday. Maybe love's a flame that burns too bright, leaving shadows in its light. But I'd rather bleed 1,000 times than lose the warmth you left behind. And I still hear your voice in every spark that dies. We're ashes of yesterday, but our souls will find their way through the dark, through all the pain. We'll rise again from yesterday. The fire's gone, but love remains. Fade out with distant wind and ember crackles. Sound of heartbeat and rain, whispered line. If love was meant to heal, why am I still bleeding? Your shadow sleeps across my bed, your voice still echoes in my head. I light a flame to chase the dark, but every spark just burns my heart. The photographs still haunt the wall, our laughter whispers down the hall. I breathe you in, but it's not fair. You're gone, but still you're everywhere. I try to hide these scars you made, but love If love was fire, then I'm still burning. If hope was lost, I'm still returning to the place we left undone, to the shadow of the sun. And I scream your name to the endless night, but silence is my only light. Bleeding memories, but I'm still alive. Through the pain, I will survive. Your ghost still sings inside my chest, and somehow that's what hurts the best. Bleeding memories, they fade to gold. The story ends but never grows old. If love was meant to heal, maybe bleeding means I still feel. Fade to silence. Lay awake and feel the rush, a current moving through my core. It isn't blood, it is the hush of the voice I can't ignore anymore. It started quiet, just a plea, a whisper buried deep inside. Now it's a pulse, a symphony, with nowhere left for me to hide. I try to breathe and clear my head, to wash the haunting memory clean, but every beat the moment spread returns to where you used to lean. I swear I feel the ghost of your hand running right along my arm, a touch I couldn't understand, the source of all this sudden charm. And the tension builds with every beat, a chilling, vibrant, hollow sound, admitting this is my defeat on this cold and solitary ground. And the echoes in my veins are ringing out your name, a rhythmic surge of frozen pain, feeding this relentless flame. They flow beneath the surface tide of memory I can't shake free, turning the darkness into light, just to torment and punish me. Oh, this sorrow isn't in my mind, it's rooted deep within my soul. Echoes in my veins taking their final crushing toll. I run my fingers down my neck, where the pulse is strong and quick and true, and I realize with sudden wreck that I'm made entirely of you. Every thought, every choice I make, every shadow that I cast is a reminder of the cruel mistake, a future that we couldn't last. I could cut the ties, I could run away, find a life that's new and clear, but the echoes tell me every day that you are permanently here. I swear I feel the ghost of your hand running right along my arm, a touch I couldn't understand, the source of all this sudden charm. And the tension builds with every beat, a chilling, vibrant, hollow sound, admitting this is my defeat on this cold and solitary ground. And the echoes in my veins are ringing out your name, a rhythmic surge of frozen pain, feeding this relentless flame. They flow beneath the surface tide of memory I can't shake free, turning the darkness into light, just to torment and punish me. Oh, this sorrow isn't in my mind, it's rooted deep within my soul. Echoes in my veins taking their accept the fact that you're a part of the blood that courses through me now. A permanent, eternal art, a scar that won't allow me to forget the simple truth that your love was never temporary. It consumed my life, consumed my youth, my final agonizing quarry. Shattered dreams upon the floor, pieces of what I was before. Every mirror shows my pain. Every night I call your name. You left a silence loud as war, a wound that time can't quite restore. The light you gave still haunts my eyes, a ghost that never dies. I'm chasing shadows I can't hold, a melody that's growing cold. Echoes of a broken soul, calling out from deep below. Can't escape what's left behind, your voice forever in my mind. Echoes of a broken soul, still reaching for a hand to hold on. Every scar becomes a line of every lie I call divine. I tried to run, I tried to hide, but you still live inside. Through the smoke and through the tears, I've carried you for all these years. Even pain can start to glow when there's nowhere else to go. And though the night won't let me breathe, your song's the only thing I need. Echoes of a broken soul, calling out from deep below. Through the dark I hear you say, I never really went away. Echoes of a broken soul, still reaching for a hand to hold. Maybe healing starts in pain, maybe loss is how we change. And though I walk this world alone, your echo guides me home. I'm still here in every tone. I whispered I'm not broken anymore. Fade to silence.